Here we have the second circuit of the JFET, and we are once again going to determine the terminal voltages and currents of this circuit. So by the properties of JFET, we know that the gate current Ig is going to be 0. Since the gate current Ig is 0, so the gate terminal can be assumed to be at the same potential as the ground, because no current will be flowing through this 1 mega ohm resistor. So Vg is also going to be 0 volt. We also know that the drain current and the source current are the same. The source voltage Vs, that is nothing but the potential drop or the voltage across this resistor 1 kilo ohm. So Vs is going to be equal to Is into 1, which is equal to Id into 1 and Id. So the gate to source voltage Vgs, that is going to be Vg minus Vs, 0 minus Id, and we have it as minus Id. Now we are going to use the Shockley equation in order to determine the value of the drain current Id. Now we already know it is given that IDSS is 10 milliampere and the pinch off voltage Vp of the JFET is minus 8 volts. So we simply substitute those values over here. We substitute the value of VGS as minus ID that we obtained over here, and we get a quadratic equation in ID. Since it is a quadratic equation, so we are going to end up with two values of the drain current, one of them 19.4 milliampere, the other 3.36 milliampere. Now since the value of the drain current is going to be limited by IDSS, which is 10 milliampere, so we can reject this value and we can say that the drain current ID is equal to 3.36 milliamperes, because ID cannot be greater than IDSS. So ID is 3.36 milliampere. Now the drain voltage VD, that is 16 volt minus the drop across this 3 kilo ohm resistor. So we have over here VD equals 16 minus thrice ID, and that value we get as 5.92 volt. The source voltage Vs, ID into 1, which is 3.36 volt. Now ID is in milliampere and the resistor Rs is in kilo ohm. So milliampere and kilo ohm, 10 to the power minus 3 and plus 3, they get cancelled, and we get 3.36 volt over here. So finally these are the values of the terminal voltages and currents that we have over here. Ig 0, ID, Is both 3.36 milliampere, Vg 0 volt, Vd 5.92 volt, and Vs 3.36 volt.